Good morning, everyone. Listen, I want you guys to check out my mask that are available on my site at YouTube. You can click the shop now page and get this mask, or you can just check the link in the description box on IG. I promise you guys, I just did 2 miles walking, and this mask is breathable. It is nice. You don't feel restricted, you know. I totally love it. It comes in different colors. And guys, I just think you need to check it out. It says Live and Laugh on the front, and of course Yardie TV. Sort it out now.
Yeah, Bunks and Rock.
Ooh yeah. Well, alright, we're jamming. I wanna jam it with you. We're jamming, and I hope you like it.
Hello folks, welcome to another of our Taste Buds episode, and today I am making, as usual, my pineapple skins ginger iced tea, and it's gonna be an awesome thing. I'm gonna be adding a whole bunch of different stuff to this one. So the first thing you want to do is you want to get a nice ripe pineapple like I have here, and you want to wash and scrub the outsides of your pineapple. You want to clean it thoroughly. All right, then you're gonna cut it up as you normally would when you're making pineapple, as using it as fruits, and you're gonna reserve the skins. You're gonna discard the top and the very bottom or the base of it, and you're gonna put the skins in a pot of boiling water. Now, what I mean by this is, do not put it in the water to boil. Put it in water that has been boiled. Today I am adding to my pineapple skins some blackberries that I had in my freezer, and they have gotten so freezer burned that I'm not gonna really literally eat them, but I figured why not add them to my pineapple skins. I'm gonna use the fresh pineapple flesh as fruits, and so I might as well use up everything. I'm not gonna discard anything at all. So I'm gonna add my blackberries, guys, and then I'm gonna allow this to stay in the water to steep. I'm not gonna turn the stove off, but I'm gonna make it very low so that it just can stay there and, you know, release all its flavors, all the vibes, all the niceness. And guys, you may never have thought of using blackberries before in your iced tea or anything like this, but guys, I promise you, it is not only beautiful to look at, it is awesome to taste. All right, and of course, if you want, you can use the entire pineapple including the flesh, but I'm gonna save the flesh and eat it as fruits. I'm also gonna add some vervain to this, my blue vervain, guys, and I'm adding vervain to everything nowadays. So check out my vervain video, the benefits of vervain, and you will see what I'm talking about. So just allowing my tea to steep, and it is beautiful, guys, the way in which everything is gelling nicely, and the pineapple skins are releasing flavors. You would not believe how nice the house smells. So once it has been cool, guys, and I allowed it to boil, you know, or steep for about 4 hours, and once it is cool, then the next thing that I want to do is I want to remove all of the pineapple skins and the core and the blueberries and all the ingredients that are blendable, and the intention is to put them in my blender and blend them so that I can extract even more so of their, you know, fragrance and everything from them, the juice and everything from them, because I want it to not just be a clear type of iced tea, but somewhat of a, you know, cloudy, juicy type of vibe. That's what I'm going for. So you just want to get all these you know, bits and pieces of fruit into your blender, and then I'm gonna add some of the liquid that I took from the tea itself to the blender to blend these, and that's the whole plan for my iced tea. And guys, you can add more or less water at this stage, or liquid at this stage. The thinner it is, you know, the more liquid you add, the thinner it's gonna be, you know, and vice versa. And then you want to strain this, guys, and you might have to strain it 1 or 2 times after you get the big massive amount of pulp out of it. You might want to go back through with a cheesecloth to get out as much sediments as possible from the remaining liquid that is left after you do that initial straining. I just love how this smells, guys. It is so awesome. And once it is strained, then I want to add my lime, or you may add lemon, it's up to you. And I'm using 3 limes. Depending on how tangy you want your drinks to be, you can add more and or less. All right. And guys, I also will not be sweetening my drinks because I believe it is sweet enough, and I'm not really drinking it for the sweet aspect of it. I'm drinking it for the health benefits. And so if you want, you can add sugar or honey as a sweetener, or agave, or any type of sweetener that you so choose. But I'm using just the lime, and I'm also adding a very, very special ingredient at this time, guys. And that's a nature's natural probiotic that I'm adding, which is found in the form of apple cider vinegar. Yes, apple cider vinegar. Awesome ingredient. Natural probiotic, helps you with weight loss and everything. I'm using the organic and unfiltered one, and I'm just dispensing it with one of those medicinal cups, but you can add more or less depending on how much you like apple cider vinegar and the taste that you want in your drink. I'm not going for a strong apple cider taste, I'm just going for the health benefits, and that's why I'm adding less. So once you've added your apple cider vinegar, and you might want to sweeten it if you so choose, your drink is ready. Buckle your drink up and get ready to enjoy this awesome pineapple skin, ginger, and blackberry with a little bit of vervain and apple cider vinegar. What kind of long name that, man? May I tell you, but it's good and it's beneficial. So guys, thank you once again for watching. Remember, it is Yardie TV. We always turn we on to make fashion. And as I often say, live and laugh, cook and eat. Remember to like, share, subscribe, and tell a friend that Yardie TV is doing some crazy things on YouTube. Once again, thank you for watching, and I do hope you get a chance to make this one in your neck of the woods. My vervain with blackberry, pineapple skin, ginger, and a little touch of apple cider vinegar. Peace out. Blessings.